Okay, so today I'm going to try and install this. It's a little drift button, and what it does is it goes over the top of the handbrake here, and there's a little spring here which pushes this knob up and locks the handbrake up. I'm going to remove that spring and put this on top so I can still lock the handbrake when it's parked, but it will just flow up and down just like this, hopefully. On my car, which is a Skyline R34 GTT, this is really hard to remove. It needs a lot of elbow grease. But to remove the spring, you need like a little plier and a flathead. Let's give this a go. So first off, got to remove the stitching at the bottom here. Oh, I think that's all I need. Don't need to remove the whole thing. I was just pulling this bit off. Apparently, it's pretty hard. Really muscle it off. Really use both hands, grab the shaft and twist. Apparently people on the internet pushed too hard and it had like a stereo here, it's touchscreen, and just went straight into it and broke it. Oh, this is hard. But I've done like a centimeter. Okay, there's actually like a little ring in here. Come on, you little bastard. So flatten all the edges. Let's see if this works. Yeah, it was this thing, little black tip here that was holding everything in. There we go. There's the little cover off, and now the spring is exposed. You can see. So there you can see, there's a little spring there. I'll go take that out so the handbrake doesn't lock. So there's like this little tab here at the bottom. Apparently you got to get the spring over that. Makes it easier to take out. Okay. Yep, there we go. So just bend the tabs back. So the tabs will used to be like this. Bend them straight. I might remove this top thing. I think this metal bracket thing on top as well. I don't know, guys. I was trying to find forums on this shit last night. Not much on the R34 GTT. Ah! Damn it, cut myself a bit. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. Okay. So now it doesn't go back down. I'm just gonna remove this off. I don't think it's adding much value to me right now. Ah, there's blood everywhere. Oh shit. There we go. Yes, stays up when I pull this out. In. Ooh. Up, pull it out, stays up. Awesome! And so this drift button just goes on top like this. Pull down. Drift, up, lock it off when I need to park. See, it still locks because there's a spring coming up. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to push the spring all the way to the bottom and close the tabs back off. There we go, the spring is not moving anymore. I believe that should be suffice. That should be good enough. I'll put the cover back on. Oh, I think that's it. Where do I put the button? Alright, so the drift button just goes on top. Yeah, it's supposed to be really tight. There we go. Bam, 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 drifted. There we go. Nice and easy. Done in about 20 minutes. Guess what? I'm over here. I'm going to do my brother's car because he's going to come drifting with me. So 2 for 1. Silvia and also R34 Skyline. Drift button install. There's my sad dog, which I'm ignoring. I do love you though. Okay, so apparently The Silvia one is much easier to take off. You gotta take the whole bracket off. But apparently it's really easy. Oh wow. That was super easy. Look, the whole thing just came off. Oh, okay. Well then, just gonna bend the tabs back. That was easy. God damn it. Now I'm just gonna push a spring to the bottom. Okay, there we go. The spring can't go back up. There we go, locked off. Put the cover back on. Damn, that was so easy compared to mine. Put the button on. The button's really tight on this one. Yep, that would do. Alright, cool. There we go. Both drift buttons are installed. Nice and easy. The Silvia one was so easy to install. My one a little bit harder. Ready to go drifting tomorrow in keen as. You'll see that video next on day one of drifting. You're gonna see a lot of fails, a lot of shitty slides. Thanks for watching the install of these drift buttons. Please like, share and subscribe. Got a big year coming up. Lots of adrenaline, lots of activities. See you soon.